Good day, everyone. Thank you for your time. Today, I'm excited to share an app idea that can help a lot of people deal with common problems at home or with gadgets. It's called SnapFix AI. Many people struggle with simple issues at home, like a faucet that won't stop dripping, a fan that won't spin, or Wi-Fi that just stops working. The problem is, not everyone knows how to fix this. Not everyone has time to search online or watch long tutorials. That's where SnapFix AI comes in. SnapFix AI is a smart helper on your phone. Just type what the problem is, and the app gives you step-by-step instructions on how to fix it. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who gives you through the solution anytime. This app is made for parents, homeowners who want to fix things on their own, students living away from home, seniors who want simple help, or even barangay or LGUs who wants to help people in the community solve minor issues without waiting for someone to fix it. Here are the key features of SnapFix AI. Problem Solver Chat. You type your issue and the app gives clear, simple steps to fix it. Tools and part suggestions. It tells you what tools or parts you will need and even where to find them. Emergency mode. If it is a dangerous issue like fire, sparks, or flooding, the app will tell you not to fix it and instead contact a local expert. Smart memory. The app remembers your past problems and gives helpful tips so it will not happen again. We've added more features to make it even more useful. Fix history. Shows your past problems and how you solve them. Voice input. You can talk instead of typing. Video links. The app gives trusted video tutorials that are easy to follow. Maintenance reminders, like check your faucet next month. Store Finder. It suggests where to buy the parts near you. Power safety alerts. If your problem is about electricity, it warns you right away. We also added a special feature where users can share their own tips or stories. For example, my faucet leaked last week. I fixed it by tightening this part. This way, people learn not just from AI but also from each other. And what makes SnapFix AI special? First, it's easy to use. You do not need to upload photo or know any technical words. And second, it's text-based, simple and beginner-friendly. It is also like having your own repair guide that fits in your pocket. Let's say my bathroom faucet keeps dripping, even and wasting water. Then you are prompted to put in and type your available tools. I have a small wrench, plumber's tape, and a rag. You are also asked where your location is. So I will put here my current location. Then let's check. And this is where the magic happens. First, the app will give you a safety check. It's like a go signal if you can fix it or if you should call a pro or a people who have knowledge in your problem. In this safety check, this is generally safe for DIY repairs, so it's good to go. Then solution steps will be given to you on the next part of the app, how to fix a dripping faucet. Here are the steps. Tutorial videos. This will recommend you video tutorials, trusted video tutorials that are easy to follow, like how to fix a leaky faucet cartridge step by step, quick fix, replacing worn out faucet O-rings and washers, DIY guide, taking apart and cleaning faucet aerators and stems. Then we also have community tips and help. Here you can ask AI what are the different testimonials from different persons, and you can also share here your success stories when using the app and fixing your problem. And the next part is the professional help for dripping faucet. And let's say you are not that professional enough, you are not that handy enough to work it in a DIY. This will recommend you professionals on who will you call. And last is the repair log. After attempting the repair, describe what worked or didn't to help others with similar issues. Snapfix AI is built using Gen AI, and it's ready to help people in real life. We want to partner with those who believe in simple tech solutions for everyday needs, whether that's LGUs, schools, private groups, or even developers. Together we can make life easier, safer, and smarter for everyone. Thank you again for your time. I'm happy to answer questions, show a live demo, or talk more about how this can help our community or organization.